Hello, my name is Greg, and today we will be talking about data analysis. This is ITM 2000. In previous presentations, we have discussed the size and scope of information available and their technologies we use to incorporate into our daily lives. We have now moved on to more conceptual thinking. A pillar of information technology management which will help us with our conceptual thinking, is data analysis. Data analysis is a process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, suggesting conclusions, and supporting decision-making. Before we discuss the uses of data analysis in the business world, let's dig a little deeper into the world of data analysis. 6 steps make up the hallmark of modern-day data analysis. The first is data requirements, followed by data collection, data processing, data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, and finally, data visualization. The first step of data analysis is data requirements. This essentially means that we figure out what data is needed and we figure out how to meet our expectations. More complexly, we could explain the data necessary as inputs to the analysis are specified upon the requirements of those directing the analysis or customers who will use the final finished product of the analysis. The second step of data analysis is data collection. As the name assumes, this step includes gathering the raw data from various sources. Some methods of collecting data that are used include sensors in the environment, such as traffic cameras, satellites, recording devices. Data can also be obtained through interviews, downloads from online sources, and reading documentation. The third step of data processing is data processing. Data doesn't just get collected and analyzed. It must be processed in such a way as sorting the data into rows or columns for further reviews. So essentially we can think of this like this. There's a vast amount of data, but how we, the human eye, comprehend it is what data processing is. So we use tools such as Excel and Outlook and other computer-based programs to really organize the data and process it in a way that it is able for us to understand. And not only understand, but continue. The fourth step of data analysis is data cleaning. Data cleaning entails ensuring the integrity of the data. So we can do this by removing duplicates, removing errors, and just overall making sure the data matches and is accurate. This is done by record matching, threshold evaluation, and spell check. Just essentially making sure the data is correct, accurate, and presentable. The fifth step of data analysis is exploratory data analysis. Essentially, this is where the data is actually analyzed, which leads to modeling and algorithms made to further explore the data, or the data can be restored for retrieval by third parties. So essentially, it ties in with databases. Databases are able to be accessed and databases are able to be changed. So a company can access a database to retrieve info such as sales history, or a database can be used to ensure the integrity. The sixth and final step of data analysis is data visualization. This step is a little bit more open-ended as it contains various aspects from all of the steps and also adds data product and communication. This step essentially synthesizes data in a way that the world can read it and the world can use it. Now that we have explored the world of data analysis on a bit deeper level, let's move on to some uses of data analysis in the business world. Discovering useful information, suggesting conclusions, and analyzing and making decisions. The first use is discovering useful information. Individuals and businesses have access to more data than the human brain can even begin to comprehend. How do we sort through, inquire, and even know what data is helpful to us? Data analysis allows this. Through the process discussed earlier, we know the depth of research and cleaning that goes into data. Therefore, businesses are able to reap the benefits of data analysis. Now that businesses have relevant data, it is able to suggest conclusions. Essentially, what this means is that the process of decision-making can be started. Data can be looked at, compared, and comprehended by executives and shareholders. Examples of this may be stock reports, sales histories, and future growth possibilities. Lastly, the business will begin decision-making thanks to the process of data analysis. Data has been gathered and thought about in the previous two steps. Now it is time to make the actual decisions based on the above processes. Thank you for watching.